But what I want to show you now is the swap feature of the Trust Wallet, which allows you to swap between different cryptocurrencies within the same network. So we're only going to be able to swap for other cryptocurrencies that are part of the BNB network, but there are quite a few. If you had Ethereum, for example, too, you could swap for any cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum network, but you can't swap between different networks as they're not compatible with each other. If you did want to, for example, swap from a BNB network crypto to an Ethereum network crypto, you would have to do that through an exchange, for example, where you're actually selling it and then rebuying it. So that's the only way you'd be able to do that, for example. What we're going to do is click on the swap button at the bottom, and then at that point we're going to click on swap in the top left, and it's going to have a from and a to. So in the from section, we're going to swap this over here to BNB Smart Chain, which we do have in our wallet now. And then it's going to let you know over here, after we click on to and we choose BNB Smart Chain again, we can now select with this other arrow here below what we want to swap into. So all of these tokens are part of the BNB Smart Chain network or blockchain. So all of these are assets that we could swap into. Now there's a ton of different options here. So if you know what you're actually looking for, that's going to help you out. In this case, we're going to look for USDT, and that's going to be Tether, which is going to be a stable coin. So we can see that as an option right here through the BNB Smart Chain. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And this is going to allow us to swap over from BNB to the Tether stablecoin. At this point, we just have to enter the amount that we're looking to swap, and we're going to go ahead and do 25% or about $11.59 worth. And this is again going to happen through a third-party provider. In this case, it tells you it's going through the 1inch network. It tells you the provider fee here is about 8 cents. So it's a lot more reasonable than the cost for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies in most cases. And if everything looks good here at this point in time, you're going to click on the continue button. And then on this screen here, you're going to confirm the final details. So if this looks good, we're going to click on confirm and the swap is going to take place. We're going to click here on transaction details just to get more info, and it says status completed already. So if we now click on home, we can see here that we have a USDT or Tether balance of $11.49 because we just swapped over a little bit of the BNB into Tether.